remember the feeling when my hairstyle first was published in the Essence magazine. And it was one of the craziest feelings because even though I had a goal and a vision for it, it still was blowing my mind that it actually happened. And so it really stemmed from me getting an idea of what I really wanted to see to come to pass in my life. And I invested in a professional photographer. And I even remember saying to some of the models in the shoot, like, you never know, you might see yourself in Essence, joking. But even then, there was some truth to whatever it was that I was saying. And so I always tell people that you definitely have to get very clear on what you want. Even if you need to, get you a vision board, get you some cardboard and some scissors and some glue sticks and begin to map out what you see for your future, even if it scares you. To see that now I went from looking at it to actually living it and walking it out is crazy. But one thing I will say is that your feet can never take you where your mind has never been. So make sure you get a vision of it.